to a successful mission. To those we lost.
Oh, yeah. Never
Fortune and glory.
Oh, that's nice. Much better.
Cheers, Mike. Oh, yeah.
Could you please hurry up? We're leaving!
Drop sequence initiating. Fasten your seatbelts.
Let's leave.
I'm really not ready for this!
Come on, you fat lords. Are we elves?
Rock and stone!
time to let them go.
Let there be
Egg
light!
collection time, team. Alien eggs. The company wants them. Don't ask why. Find them, stow them in Molly, and return. Simple.
Out of my way! I'm gonna kill you all!
Find the nitro for ammo! So long, suckers! Loot bug looted!
Ship line ready. Careful!
Inventory is full. Yeah! I should call for the mule. When the damn bugs start to feel like family, you know it's time to quit.
It's blocked. Loose dirt over here. I think we need to dig here.
Dig here. I got the deposit. Light is up.
Things about to go. I'm doing my part. I'm on your side.
Bam!
Never felt better.
Stay clear of the explosive blast.
I need the mule right here, right now. I'll have to take them to Loot bug, open!
I put the barrage in the garage!
I owe you one, brother. Bag's full. Can't carry anymore.
Pop the loot. Let's get the minerals.
Donkey time!
I feel vitalized.
Ah!
Don't got room for more.
Restore your bullet!
Really need to provide some better equipment.
Lighting up! Splat!
Ah, gobble snarks. Think I dropped me bloody keys in there.
Yeah!
It's overheated!
Look over here! Egg found!
God damn these drills. It's overheated.
Deep Rock seriously need to invest in some better equipment. Oi!
I need the damn minecart on it. Where is it? Music to my ears. Stop attacking me!
Pickaxe, chill. Die!
Red sugar! Down the hatch!
I ordered a resupply.
Supply drop has been ordered and is on the way. Secondary objective completed. Make it home to collect your bonus.
My pod is here. Everybody collect ammunition. Egghead. Wonder what that rock is. Marker up.
Rubbish equipment. No! Ah! Safety protocol, my ass! Hacks! This is fun! Jet boots here! Time to hit the skies! Jetty boot crate over here! Let's stick together from now on.
That was close. Thank you, pal. Oh, I called for Molly. Getting more ammo.
You gotta be kidding me!
Be gone!
This is stupid! Never felt better. I wonder what
not again.
R&D wants with these core stones. Zip line up.
Next time, you box of bolts! I did it! Jet boots for everyone!
It's overheated.
Attention!
I die a little inside every time I have to take a...
I need to deposit in the mule. Come here. Need to get my pickaxe sharpened when we get back.
Everyone, I'll get some attention. Guys, are you blind? Look over here. Let there be light. Bamboo! Over here by the marker point. I hear management's been trying to get a shipment of knee pads in. Fancy that. Looks like acid doesn't dissolve bullets.
Heads up, new miner arriving.
Damn overheating.
Time to earn your paycheck, team. Got a doozy of a swarm on the way. Egg collection completed. Well done. Pull the escape pod in when ready.
Flares up! Resupply ordered.
Supply pod launched. Better stand back. The swarm is upon you.
You're a stain on the floor. Shield break.
Hey! Trigger discipline, bullet brain! Oh, yeah, should've left my nose on bloody explosive. Hey, I'm not being late. I got the deposit. Fire grenade!
I spit on your grave, spitter.
Chill.
You're almost through the wave, team. Go, go!
Come on.
Next wall is over. Don't let him flank
No
you.
hiding! This has no value. Swallow this! This is worthless. This has no value. This is worthless. When resupplying, remember to share with your teammates. Supply pod here. Ask your team before double dipping. Marker up!
Getting supplies! I'm taking some of the
Ready to
ammo.
kill some more crepes. Off we go!
Ammo taken. Yeah!
Supply pod, here!
Ready to kill some more crepes. Getting supplies! I'm taking some of the ammo. The core spawns are coming from the rift! Get ready! The core spawn are coming! Focus on the core stone! It's the only way to close the rift!
Eat it! Lloyd! Crawler eliminated! Out of explosives! Watch out! The blood from the core spawns is dangerous! The core stone is summoning core spawn! Let's blast the light out of it! Up! Eat it!
We've got no ammo left! Getting more ammo! Oh yeah!
Lights up! Whack-a-mole! We ought to supply them like really soon. Just what the doctor ordered.
The core stone seems dormant now. Sending in the retrieval pod. The core stone seems dormant now. Sending in the retrieval pod.
No!
Well done, team. The coral stone is dormant. Retrieval pod en route. Please see to its safe return.
Help! Be gone! Uh-oh!
Let's see if you can get me up here, stupid bugs.
Take off! Look! Lloyd is up!
You want some more?
Thanks. I owe you one, brother.
Drop pod inbound. Stand clear.
Light as a feather!
Well done, team. Word is these things will be instrumental in locating the best deep sites for our next endeavors. Drop pod has arrived. The mule has been called back. Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes.
Lighting! Look over here!
Let's get out of this hill.
Setting off!
The mule is secured. Initiating launch sequence. Deep Rock Galactic thanks you for your good work. Drop pod will leave with or without you. Drop pod departing in T-minus 4 minutes.
What's this? Over here by the marker point. Look there. Everyone, can I get some attention? Watch me fly. Almost. Hold your breath. Gas bud is leaking. Could the rest of you please hurry?
That's one for the books. Retrieving escape pod.